friends, Mr. Will and Froggy here with Little Movers and Shakers at Home Edition for September. And as you know, this month is baking. So, if you got your whisk in your bag, we're going to sing a little song called Round and Round the Batter Bowl. Ooh, you guys ready? So, I'm going to take my whisk and we sing. Round and round the batter bowl. 1, 2, 3. A little here, boop, boop, on your hand. A little there, on your foot. Boop, 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 boop. As tasty as can be. Oh, big hugs, tickles. Nice. All right, let's do it again. This time, where are we going to find a little bit? How about we find some on our nose? Ooh, and maybe on our chin. Ooh, that'll be fun. Here we go. Ready? Round and round the batter bowl. 1, 2, 3. A little here. Boop, 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 boop. Froggy's nose. Your nose. A little there. Boop, 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 boop. On your chin. On Froggy's chin. As tasty as can be. Big hugs. All right, let's do one more. This time, I think we should put a little bit on our ears. Where are your ears? You got your ears? And how about your toes? Oh, on your toe. Put it on your toe. All right, here we go. Last time, guys. Round and round the batter bowl. 1, 2, 3. A little here. Froggy doesn't have ears, so we'll pretend they're back here. A little there. Oh, Froggy's toes. As tasty as can be. Big hugs. Nice. Good job, guys. And of course, you can sing this song with any different parts of your body, or maybe even different parts of your house, or wherever you're at. Use your imagination. Okay, friends, that's all the time I have for today. I hope you had as much fun as I did, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Wave bye-bye to Froggy.